Mega political posturing by the opposition parties over here on the issue of demonetization. Several opposition parties over here, the Congress, the TMC, JDU, RJD, have all come and gathered over here on the issue of demonetization. They are demanding that the Prime Minister must be present in the House for any discussion on the issue of demonetization. They are saying that his presence is imminent. They are highlighting the cause and the implementation, where they are saying that the government was unplanned and unprepared to implement, because of which the people are going through inconvenience, while the government is maintaining that the Congress and the other opposition parties are not offering solutions. They are disrupting the House and not letting it function. Consecutive days, the House has always been a washout so far. Rahul Gandhi himself present over there with senior Congress leaders from the Congress, the JDU chief, Mr. Sharad Yadav also over here, several of the TMC MPs in attendance as well. Well, clearly the opposition is united on the issue of demonetization. They are mounting pressure on the government, especially the Prime Minister, to be present in the House. They are demanding that why is the Prime Minister not being able to come and make a presence inside the House. Very clearly over here, the Congress is not going to let this issue die down just yet. They have digged in their heels. They are adamant on the issue that there should be discussion provided the Prime Minister be present in the House. The TMC will also be holding another dharna at the Jantar Mandir at 12:30 today. So the opposition is united. They are saying that they have buried their issues. There was a disparity earlier on, but now they have buried the issue to come and have a consensus on the issue of demonetization. Inside the House and outside as well, the Congress and the opposition parties will be cornering the government on the issue of demonetization. It is going to be difficult for the government to ensure that the House runs, given the fact that the opposition is not willing to relent. This protest at the Gandhi Murti from inside the Parliament. With camera person Manoj, this is Swami Kapoor.